Here's a stock that I definitely want to watch for this week. That stock is going to be Etsy, ETSY. Okay. First off, guys, hope you guys all had a great weekend. It's currently Sunday, so I'm going through all of my charts, getting myself ready for the week. That's one thing. If you're a trader, a swing trader, a day trader, a scalper, the real work is actually done the night prior, and especially on the weekend when you do have some downtime. After you spend time with the kids, the family, the wife, the girlfriend, the side piece, whatever that is, that you need to do, your hobbies, this, that, and the other. You definitely want to sit down. You want to dive into some charts. You want to give yourself a good advantage, going into the week. So definitely looking at a lot of charts. Last week was a little bit of a crazy week, right? I mean, we had, some ups, some downs, and then we finished the week, pretty solid in the NASDAQ. For a lot of you guys, if you have not been following my videos or my trading style, I do trade a lot of, tech stocks. I trade a lot of high beta, movers and shakers, not really into trading the smaller stocks. Not to say that you cannot make money on them. It's just that you can't really control them. You have to kind of be in the stock, holding, waiting for the move when that happens. And then, for me, it's just a little too slow because I don't like to, wait, and wait and hope. But anyways, Etsy is a stock that I want to look at. You can see here, we've been kind of consolidating sideways. We do have highs here. I'm going to draw a trend line just so we can kind of get a better picture here. We do have highs here of 211.89. That's going back all the way to July 23rd. Then we kind of sold off here, touched the 50-day moving average, came all the way down to the linear regression, got this nice push off this linear regression. Guys, so if you do not understand what all these lines on my charts are, please go to my website. I have 2 courses, and there's 22 videos there, over a couple hours worth of content, showing you guys exactly what all of this stuff means. Trust me, it does mean stuff. It's not just all bull, crap. So came down here, touched the linear regression line, bounced off. Currently, was sitting in a lot of supply here, but Friday we did break out of this supply. I like this close, nice green bar, took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, about a full trading week worth of price action. So what I am going to look for on Etsy going into this week, I want to reclaim highs 199.36. For me, psychological level is always whole, round, even numbers. So 200. Let's see what we do when Etsy crosses 200. Do we touch 200 and come back in, test supply, possibly 196? Do we come all the way back down here to 193, depending on market conditions, what we got with the Fed talk? There's always something with the Fed. There's always something going on. Delta variant case numbers continue to increase, especially here in the city that I am, that I currently live in Southern California. Numbers are rapidly progressing. We have the big deal going on in Afghanistan, and what's going on over there. So anything can happen, but Etsy definitely put in a nice move here. I do want to see what we do at the $200 level. At the $200 level, we do have room here all the way to this channel here, going back to August 4th. That would take us up to the upper Bollinger Band. That price is going to be 206.78. Potential room for a swing. We do want to use the 5-day moving average as kind of our running support here. So if we lose the 5-day moving average, do we hold the 10 and the 20? I would currently like to see the 10-day moving average cross above the 20-day moving average, get this 20-day moving average down below. That would be very bullish. I would like to hold this 150-day MA here. That price is 196.89. If we can hold those levels, you got to give this room to work. It's a bit of a swing trade. Not saying that we can't just confirm 200, shoot up to 206, and give you a nice scalp or a day trade. Definitely possible, but I am going into this with a little bit more of a swing mentality. If I can get 2-3 points off this on a day trade, that would be fantastic. However, the market has kind of shown us it's giving us moves and then it's taking them back. You know, it's giving us 2, 3, 4 points and then it's pulling the market. So I would like to see these moves hold and start to build over them. So I want to see us what we do at 200, and can we start to build over 200? If we can build over 200, definitely I want to get into this for a swing. Potentially first price target 206. Obviously any close over 206, I would look to swing this to highs 211.89. And then obviously if the market wants to continue to wake up, if we want to put in this new leg higher on the NASDAQ, on some of these tech stocks, on, you know, these e-commerce sites like Etsy, definitely anything over 212, we have room to really start to stretch out there. Definitely want to put Etsy on your watch list. Keep those levels in mind. For me, I just mark out these trend lines. I set alerts. When it hits them, I pull up the chart. I start diving into it. Definitely Apple, AMD, Etsy, Microsoft, Facebook are all going to be my top watches for this week. So kind of just going to filter through these stocks and see if they are performing and doing what I want them to do. That's all trading is. You're pretty much sitting on your hands until the stock does what you want it to do. If the stock is not doing what you want it to do, and you look to your scanner and you see this is popping and that's going green and this is selling off and this, that, and the other, and you're trying to chase every single stock that's out there that's moving, guys, every stock moves every day, whether that be up, down, sideways, whatever. Stocks are moving. The minute you start, let's say you're watching Etsy and it's not doing what you want it to do, it hits 200 and it comes back down. It's trading at 197. But you see something like, let's say, Qualcomm is putting in a $2, $3 candle and you want to go chase Qualcomm. And the minute you go chase Qualcomm, you get into the trade, it starts to sell off. You immediately lose money. You come back 3 hours later, Etsy past 200 is now trading at 206. And you completely missed the move because you were chasing other stocks. Just be patient, wait for these stocks that you are watching to confirm the price level that you want them to confirm. And when they confirm that price level, have the conviction to click the buy button, have good risk management, understand where your stop would be before you enter the trade. Let the trade do its thing. If it works out, great, take your profits. If it does not work out, you already know your stop loss, where you would cut the trade, reevaluate from there. But definitely going to want to put Etsy on our watch list. Guys, if you are watching this from YouTube, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you're looking for a trading strategy, go to my website, evolutiontraders.com. I have 2 courses there, 22 videos, couple hours worth of content. Definitely worth a checkout. But I will see you guys all on the next video.